Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to get multiple snapback on Snapchat. But before we start, make sure to follow the video till the end and subscribe to the channel. Open the Snapchat application on your iPhone. Tap on the plus icon located on the right side of your screen to create a new snap. Unfortunately, Snapchat has removed the option for multi-snaps. However, you can still achieve a similar effect using director mode. Tap on Director Mode to enter this feature. In Director Mode, tap on the white button to capture snaps. Tap the white button again to capture multiple snaps in succession. Once you've captured all the snaps you want to, tap on Preview to review them. Check that you've successfully captured multiple snaps in Director Mode. You can now proceed with editing or sending them as usual. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.